Peace and blessings, everybody. Welcome to another quick reflection on the Quran so we can get the day off to a good start. Today we're looking at chapter 30, verse 22. وَمِنْ آيَاتِهِ, and among his signs, خَلْقُ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ, the creation of the heavens and the earth. وَاخْتِلَافُ أَلْسِنَاتِكُمْ, and the differences, the variation in your languages, وَأَلْوَانِكُمْ, and your colors. So he's talking about differences in people that come from different parts of the earth, who communicate in different ways, different languages, and who look different. They're of different color. Among these are signs. وَمِنْ آيَاتِهِ إِنَّ فِي ذَلِكَ, indeed in that, لَآيَاتٍ لِلْعَالَمِينَ. La is an emphasis, so surely are signs for those who have knowledge. Now, there's lots of messages in this verse, but just a couple of things for us to take away today. The first thing is God is saying, he's encouraging us to obtain knowledge about these things. So he's encouraging us to explore the heavens and the earth and the differences, that the diversity in people that come from different parts of the earth, people of different color, people who speak different languages. He's saying, explore them. They are my creations. And the second thing, the way we obtain signs of the existence of God is that we marvel at these creations. Now, the question for us is, we often find ourselves easily marveling at the creations of God amongst the heavens and the earth. So, for example, if we find in our garden flowers of different types and colors emerging from the soil, we marvel at that, don't we? And we use that as proof, conviction in our mind that it's a beautiful creation of God. And we tell people about it. The question for us is, do we do the same with the magnificence of the creation of different people of different color? Think about the way this earth, think about the way people create barriers between people of different colors and they're embroiled in acts of racism and discrimination at the moment. These are things to be admired. So the question is, the next time you see someone in front of you that is of a different color to you, or who speaks a different language, will you admire the fact that this person is of a different color, just like you might admire the creations in the heavens and the earth? Let's think. Peace.